Hi, my name is Angela Price and I'm the owner of Eden Condensed Small Space Garden Design. Today we're going to talk a little bit about growing an herb garden, and I think especially for beginning gardeners, growing an herb garden is one of the best places that you can start. Herbs are very easy to grow and they really only need some sunlight, some good draining potting soil, and some regular water, and then you can enjoy your own fresh herbs. And nothing tastes better on food than freshly snipped herbs right out of your garden. So I'm going to show you a couple of different varieties that grow really well in the summertime. This is Greek oregano, and you could snip the leaves off of this and chop it and put it in a salad dressing. It's great on Italian or Greek or Mediterranean dishes. One of the nice things about oregano is that you can dry it too. So if you snip off longer pieces and hang it upside down to dry, you can also have dried oregano that you can store for later months. Oregano is really nice because it'll also do well in a pot that'll kind of hang over the edges as well. So I will put these often in pots. One of my favorite, chives. Chives are really wonderful, not only for baked potatoes, but I put them in salad dressings. I sprinkle them on smoked salmon, and you can just snip a little bit off the outside. You can just use some kitchen shears or clippers, and if you just snip a little bit off here, the plant continues to grow up through the middle. And also the wonderful thing about chives too is that it grows a really beautiful either purple or white flower, and the flowers themselves are edible. So you can add some really pretty color to your salads. An herb that almost everybody likes to use is flat leaf parsley. This adds like brightness to your food, and again you can kind of snip a bit from the outside. It'll continue to grow up through the middle. The thing about parsley though is that you don't want to put it in too hot a sun, otherwise it'll start to go to seed, which is called bolting, and the leaves can get a little bit bitter. I've also brought French tarragon here, and tarragon has a little bit of a licorice taste to it. Tarragon can go kind of big and bushy like this. It also gets some nice flowers on it. And another favorite of mine is thyme. There's many different varieties of thyme. This is a lemon thyme, so when you rub the leaves and smell it, you do get a nice lemon scent on it. There's French thyme, English thyme, and there's a lot of other different scented thymes. Especially great for summer are the basils. And I have a box here which shows you can kind of use almost anything as a planter for herbs. This is an old wood crate, and I've got 4 different types of basil in here. I have a columnar basil, which grows up. I've got Italian basil, purple basil, and this is called boxwood basil. So everybody's familiar with having tomato and basil together. If you like mint, I highly recommend that you grow mint in a separate container or a separate area of your garden. Mint does shoot out runners, as you can see here, and it will tend to take over your yard. So it's important that you do keep it contained. If you have any other questions about herbs, please contact me at www.edencondensed.com. Thank you very much.